I'm going to give this bushing a little bit of grease. Put a little bit of grease over here on the teeth of the gear. There's a little gear over here. Perfect. Might grease this place as well. I'll be going inside the bushing. I'm trying to put a little grease over here too as well. Some grease on the spring as well. Now I'm going to get the cover keys over here. I'm going to grease the moving parts like this over here. I'm going to grease it a little bit, then put some grease inside here as well, inside this hole. I'm going to grease it, not a lot of grease, but like small amount, won't ruin anything. Here doesn't need a grease, so I'm going to leave it like that because the spring has to hook there. I'm going to take my ring and place it over here so you guys can see. I'm going to put it inside, make it sit. Like, I'm using my own technique, so like it's not something like very professional, but I hope you guys learn something from it. I'm going to try and make you like, I'm going to struggle with it, but I hope you guys learn something from it. I'm just having like in my hands this tool to remove the spark plug, and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to hook it over here, hook it on the spring where it will go and fit on this thing, on this gear. I'm going to hold it, place my hands on top of the spring to not allow it to like come over this place, come over this hole, like I'm holding it at place. Then I put the gear on top, right behind what I'm using to, right behind is the tool. Just push as much as you can. And when it's like this, you push down. Don't know if you guys can see because my hands is blocking it. I might help myself with a hammer, like half to half. Because it has to, like, I don't know if you guys can see where the gear is. It's like it's locked here where it has to be, but it's not all the way down. So I think we must like push a little bit. I don't know if it's going much more further. It doesn't. I'm having the spring, as you can see, like at this place where I want it. The gear two is perfectly in place. I'm going to remove this. That's hooked to the spring and it's going to hold the gear at its place. Yeah, perfect. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm still holding it because it's under pressure, and at any time, at any given time, it can come off. So I'm holding it. Like perfect. I don't know if you guys can see it. Excellent. Now I'm going to turn it all over like this. I'm going to turn it around. I think this big ring goes in here first, like this ring that goes in, and it goes and sit right over here. And then there's this snap ring that goes right after it. Going to use this snap ring supply to just get it on properly as I want it. I might help myself with the screwdriver. Yeah, perfect. Now it's inside. Yeah, I want it. The cover key is turned like this. I'm going to go ahead and put the pedal, the kickstart pedal, over here. Going to put it like perfectly straight on it. Slides on like without problem. Slides on like this. You have to make sure that it's facing, like you can just put it like this, like to see where it has to face the variator, or else you'll be mistaken and put it wrong. After that, have this both over here, and you put it inside to hold the whole pedal without coming off. I'm going to hand tight it first. I'm going to use a spanner to tighten it further down. Oh, it moves perfect. Then I'm left to install this gear. After installing this one, I'm just going to put this one here. But I'm going to use the kickstart pedal to like come all the way, make it move, like by doing getting it up. I'm going to move the gear inside a bit. By moving it like this, going to allow me to put this gear inside as I want. So you guys can see, I'm going to make it slide. See? Yeah guys, so this is how to install the kickstart setup. As you can see, very easy, nothing very fancy over here.